We are using our bait caster today. Haven't used this a lot, so it's gonna be pretty fun. Maybe using some minnows and a wacky worm. Well, let's get out there. Guys, we just blasted off. Just caught a little crappie. Didn't get on video because I didn't know I had a fish on, but nice little crappie in the kayak. We're on again. I didn't know I had another one, but I will make sure to get the other one on video, my next one. That's just a nice crappie, second crappie of the day, and second fish of the day. Put them on the jig. I think we moved. I think we are getting bites. Yeah, I have another one. Nice. That's definitely the biggest one of the day. Dude. That is a big crappie, bro. Dang. It's our third crappie of the day. Let's get a nice release on him. Gone. But I think I'm gonna have to move more this way. I think I found the crappie hole over here. So if I keep working this way. Here we go, guys. We're in the kayak fishing. Here's on my camera view. Just let it sit. Probably drift that way. Here we go, guys. This is part of my GoPro phone. Here's our setup. We got a green jig with a little minnow. Let's cast him out there. Awesome. Massive perch on the jig. Crazy massive perch on the jig, y'all. We're gonna release them. This is definitely my PB. There we go.